Okay, so most of the time you will get the for example the x, okay, and of course the intercept. So you most of the time you might get this. Okay, so you'll get the coefficients, you'll get the standard error, you'll get the t statistics. Okay, so maybe you got the coefficient here, coefficients. So let's say the random coefficient a or b. Okay, and of course you will get the standard error, and you will get the t statistic. Okay, so you were given all that a b c d e f. Okay, so this is just some number that you are given. Okay, and the question maybe ask you to do a little bit calculation, and this calculation will involve the confidence interval of a certain coefficient. So how to do that? And when you calculate the confidence interval, most of the time, if the number is so large, the t statistics will be very close to the z statistics. So you just use the certain point that you are memorized. For example, if it is 95%, and most likely you will get an interval of plus and minus 1.96, right? So 99%, basically plus or minus 2.86, something like that. And I don't think you need to memorize it more than that. You just maybe this will be fine. Okay, so and then you might get confused of what happened to the t statistics that the question already gives you as the vignette. Okay, and this is my answer. This calculation, this confidence interval, and the thing that you are going to calculate is totally different, because let me just check this 95% and 99%. If my memory serves me correct, I think that is the case, but I want to be precise, so give me a second. Right, and 99%. All right, never mind, and just memorize this to will be suffice. Okay, and this is normally if the quizzes, and I just check the curriculum. Okay, I just check the curriculum at the appendix of curriculum. They do have a table of students' t distribution, and you'll be given one tail distributions. So if you want to check that, you can go to, or you can take out the curriculum and check. I just checked the curriculum. Okay, so forgive me for the interruption of the video, because I want to be precise. Okay, so as long as the exam concerned, I think this is the thing you need to memorize. You kind of need to hard code it into your mind. And if the quizzes that you're taking that give you the certain cut point, a certain critical value, you can check that out. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And how to do that? If say that they want to calculate 95% of a confidence interval, so if you want to calculate the confidence interval, you can use this coefficient. Okay, so you can use this coefficient as the center point, and you give you a minus and plus. So it's more like you already got a center point, and you just want to know how these things vary. Okay, so minus and plus and virus, And this t is definitely not the t statistics here. This t is the really concerned of what kind of confidence that you want. For example, you want to be 95% of confidence, you choose here. If you want to be 99% of confidence, you choose here. So you just put all this number here. If you want to be on 95% of confidence, you just put 1.96. If you want to be 99%, you just put 2.58. And of course, you can just put the standard deviation, the standard error here, and you just put that into the formula, and you will got the upper bound and the lower bound. And once you got that, you got the interval, the confidence interval that at a certain confidence level of your condition. For example, you want to get confidence of 95% confidence or 99% confidence, you can just do that. Okay, so that's how you calculate. And the thing I want to remind you is that this t is not the same as the t statistics right here, because this t statistics may be just 99% of the confidence of a significance level. Okay, so this t statistics is just to check whether this coefficient is significant or not, and then the confidence interval we are calculating is that at a certain confidence level we are having right now, what's the variance of this coefficient. So the coefficient is not a final answer, but rather just an interval, and just happen to inside the interval. I want to know that if I'm 99%, say 99% of the confidence, and it must be at 99% confidence level inside this range. Okay, that's just totally different. So the S, which means the standard error that we are using, we can use the SE here, and we can't use the t statistics. The t statistics depend on this confidence level. Okay.